Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new episode of 360 Crick House. Once again, I welcome Gautam Satish and Siddharth Sudesh into the show. Welcome.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
It's match 46. It is Kolkata Knight Riders versus Kings 11 Punjab. It is Ian Morgan taking on KL Rahul. Now, let us see the players to watch out for in tonight's game. Starting with the man of the match of the previous game, Varun Chakravarti, who had taken a 5-wicket haul. Siddharth, what is your take on Varun Chakravarti?
Yeah, it's not often you get to see a bowler taking 5 wickets in a T20 match. I mean, we can see hundreds, but 5 wickets, what an achievement. I thought it was a brilliant spell of bowling. He wasn't afraid to toss the ball up. He was inviting the players to play the shot. He knew that the ground dimensions would support him. So that was smart bowling, I think. He knew they were under pressure. They needed, the required run rate was climbing up, so they needed to score runs. That's why he tossed up, so that's smart bowling. So it'll be today. They're playing in Sharjah though, so I don't know how well it's going to work. But I think as far as we have seen so far, Sharjah has slowed down the most. The pitch has slowed down there the most. So hopefully he can make use of the conditions and get more wickets today.
Next we have again the man of the match of Kings 11 Punjab's previous game, Chris Jordan. Gautam, what is your take on this English player?
Yeah, CJ as they call him, he was the standout performer for them in their previous outing. 4 overs, 16 for 3. I think that's a really good spell, and that really helped their team win. Though he had a forgettable start to this year's IPL, he has come back quite well. I think from the game against Mumbai where he bowled that super over, he's been good, and I think it's a good sign for Punjab going ahead in the tournament. I think he's a renowned death bowler. That is the reason that they've picked him, but unfortunately he couldn't execute them in the beginning. So now he's slowly getting into the groove, and as I said, good signs for Punjab.
Next, we have Siddharth's battle to watch out for, and that is the captain of Kings 11 Punjab, KL Rahul, versus one of the quickest bowlers in the business, Pat Cummins. Siddharth, what is your take on this battle?
Yeah, well, I've gone with this battle because mainly Cummins is KKR's strike bowler in the power play. He's got the power player of the match 3 times now this season, so he's in the running. So if he has to do any damage, it has to be in the power play. I think they rely on him. So if he can pick Rahul's wicket, who is very important to Punjab, then I think they'll be under some tremendous pressure because he's been such a backbone for them. So if Pat Cummins can strike early, it would be very nice to see.
Next, we have Gautam's battle to watch out for, and that is Nitish Rana versus Arshdeep Singh. Gautam, what is your take on this battle?
Yeah, I'm very much looking forward to this battle between Nitish Rana and Arshdeep Singh. Talking about Arshdeep Singh, his first IPL, he's been very impressive, very matured, and he's struck when the team needed him. And Rana, on the other hand, we have seen him before. He is talented, but didn't have the kind of IPL that he's capable of. But he came to his own in the previous game against Delhi, a match-winning knock, and it was really a fluent innings, and that would give him a huge amount of confidence going into this game. So both these players coming into this game with nice confidence, so it'll be interesting to see who gets the better of it.
And next, here we have the points table. So the top three teams lost their previous game, RCB against Chennai, Mumbai against Dadar. It was a brilliant match. Both of you chose Mumbai. Sorry, both of you chose RCB against CSK, but unfortunately CSK won that game. Now it's time to make the prediction. Siddharth, which team are you going to back?
Oh, it's a no-brainer. Come on. I'm going with KKR. I think that last win would have really given them some confidence because they had dug a grave for themselves at 42 for 3. Then out of nowhere, they came in and took the score all the way to 194. So that's always a confidence booster when a team can dig themselves out of trouble. And they look at this match and be like, okay, if we can win today, we are not only safe from the chasing pack, but we can also look at top 2. So it's going to be an interesting game. Hopefully, KKR come out on the winning side.
Gautam, which team are you going to back?
I'm backing the Kings 11 simply because they won 4 in a row now, beating top teams, and they really have the momentum on their side, and they're really looking dangerous. It was surprising that they were lying at the bottom of the table at the end of the first half, but now they're really coming into their own and they're showing what they're capable of. And tonight's game is really going to be one to watch out for because it's the 4th position team taking on the 5th, and if Punjab wins, some more drama then.
And now it is 28-20 at the moment. Siddharth is trailing by 8 points. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much, Gautam and Siddharth. Bye.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys. Bye. Cheers.